guys, welcome to Summer Autopart. This is Summer. Today we are going to make a video of the screen upgrade, and you can find the one on my hand is made in Japan, the original screen, which is 11.4 inch, and we can find for this upgrade kit it's including the screen and the bracket which for replacement. This is aftermarket bracket, and if you want the original ones, you can check with our sales team and they can supply for you. This is original 11.4 screen, which is available for the car up to 2020, which with the small screen from the original Land Rover dealer. So we can find the back side, you can find the connection is very easy, just plug and play with the transfer connection wires, and you can find the item number which shows the Land Rover made in Japan. And the one we are going to install today, and after that we will do the programming code. If you are the foreign market customers, don't worry about the programming. We can support the remote from China to support you upgrade this screen. Just to confirm with your dealership if after this screen will be influence your insurance. So follow my videos to check the upgrade details installation today. This screen is available for Defender 90 and Defender 110 and also Defender 130, but Defender 130 is a new one, so the car coming already is 11.4 inch, and we can find the car 2020 Defender 90 is a small skin, and we can do some compare of the skin before and after. The one in my car is the small one, and after installation and upgrade we will get a big one. So first of all, we can follow my master's step of the installation. He will do the assembly of this dashboard and then use the bracket to hold on this screen. So follow the step of the installation and let me know if you have any questions about it. So hi guys, welcome back to Some Auto Parts YouTube channel, and we can find after 1 hour later we finished the installation of upgrade scheme, and this is original one, this is smaller one, and we have already finished the big one, which is down here. We can find the difference of the screen. You can find the one is much bigger, and now we are going to programming the screen and to unlock the function of the screen. So so follow my videos. We are going to check how's the programming. After we finish the installation of the screen, we are going to program it. So first of all, you need to prepare the computer, and we will remote from China for you. And we can find you need to download the team viewer, and we can control your computer to do the upgrade. And now it will take around 1 hour to coding it because it's 2020 year cars. So if your car is 2022 or 23, which is coming the small skin and upgrade skins, we are going to unlock most of the function like the CarPlay, like the something else. So we will make some details on the screen. So follow my videos and going to check after installation and after programming, after unlock the screen, how will it works.